Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Wolfbox MegaVolt 24 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product. Unlock instant startups with our 4,000 ampere peak power jump starter, power that never keeps you waiting. Your all-in-one standby solution for every 10-liter or 12-volt vehicle starts, every device charging. In a bind with a 24,000 milliamp hour battery, our jump starter isn't just for kicks, it's your dependable power hub in a pinch. Our jump starter tackles emergencies with 3 lighting modes: steady, strobe, and SOS for visibility, alerts, and signals when you need them most. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Wolfbox MegaVolt 24. Battery clamps. Storage bag. USB Type-C cable. User manual. Product description. Power button or LED button. Boost button. LED flashlight. USB Type-A input or output port. USB Type-C output port. LED display screen. 12-volt car start port. How to use. Insert the jumper cable into the MegaVolt 24 jump starter supply. Attach the red clamp to the positive plus symbol terminal of the battery and the black clamp to the negative minus symbol terminal. Green light displays start. Start your vehicle. You will see the emergency power supply charge decrease slightly. If you connect the clamps in reverse, a red error will be displayed. Simply swap the clamp positions to correct it. If a regular start fails or low appears on the screen, it indicates the car's voltage is below 9 volts. Press and hold the boost button for 2 seconds to force you start the vehicle. If out and in flashes, it means the core temperature is too high. Disconnect the device and let it cool. It can resume output once the temperature drops to 45 degrees Celsius or 13 degrees Fahrenheit scale. How to recharge. Connect the data cable to a suitable charger, then plug the home charger into the charging outlet. Insert the plug into the USB Type-C input port on the main unit. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.